Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this docking station, 18-in-1 docking station that this brand sent to me for the video, which the first thing to say about this one is the size. Look at how compact this docking station is. You can actually put your laptop close in here, and you're gonna have all the connectivity features that you need because it is an 18-in-1. This one, I'm gonna show it to you and working, of course, on a close-up in a few seconds and all the ports and everything. But the bottom line of this one is that it's actually super compact, really easy to use, but powerful. It's tiny but mighty because it comes with 3 different 4K displays at 60 Hz and one single display at 144 Hz. So that's actually really good for gamers. If you're a laptop gamer, this could be a really good option. Let's take a closer look. So first of all, here's going to be kind of like the front part or the back part, whatever you want to call it, because you're going to put your laptop in here, and it comes with a 3.5 jack for audio purposes. It comes with a dual reader of the SD and micro SD cards. It also comes with a 10 gigabytes 20 watts USB-C and a 10 gigabytes USB-C here, and also a USB-A, which is also it's 10 gigabytes per second. And this one is going to be the on and off button. I really like this kind of like silicone pad over here that it's anti-slip, so your laptop won't move. And in here you're gonna find the important stuff. This right here is a 2.5 gigabytes per second Ethernet port. This one is another 3.5 jack, and you have the DC outlet, and of course you're gonna find 4 different USB-A ports. You're gonna have this one right here, which is a 3.0, and these two are 2.0. The whole docking station is 150 watts, so it's gonna actually support fast charge for your laptop and many other devices. And then you're gonna find a host, USB-C host, a USB-C 3.0, 2 HDMIs, and a DisplayPort. So you're gonna have the 3 4K displays at 60 Hz right here, and you're also gonna find the 144 Hz. So as you can see over here, I have the laptop closed and put in the actual rubber or silicone pad over here on the docking station. So it takes minimal space. That's one of the things that I think is the best thing about this docking station, that you can actually close the lid. Of course, you're going to have to configure your laptop to make the proper actions when you're closing the lid. And once you do that, you just connect the USB-C over here to the, for example, the Thunderbolt port if you wanted. And then you're going to be charging at the same time with the 150 watts on fast charge, while it's going to be giving video and image quality and image connection actually to the monitors. In this case, let me show you something. I have 2 monitors, just 2 portable monitors, but as you can see over here, I have the USB-C and the power AC outlet, the AC cable, but then I'm also using just 2 HDMI ports and still has the DisplayPort over there. So you can actually put a third display with the DisplayPort and have potentially 4 displays if you leave your laptop open, or to 3 displays with your laptop closed. But again, I think that the best thing of this one is how minimal space actually takes, and the fact that you can put up to 3 displays plus the display of this one if you leave it open, or have just one and 144 Hz, which I think for gaming purposes is really good. And then of course you're going to be able to charge your phone at the same time with fast charging using the Ethernet cable, but 2.5 gigabytes per second, so you can actually give super fast internet speed to your laptop instead of the Wi-Fi. You can also use all the fast data transfer USB-A ports, as well as the card readers, and of course using this one as well with a docking station for productivity and home office and many other things that's going to give you the best setup, just rearranging the screens and just working with the convenience of having this super small docking station with your laptop in it closed, and it won't move because it comes with silicone pads at the bottom as well, so this thing won't move at all. I think I'm going to give it a huge thumbs up, recommended. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.